My name is Brandon Baines, and my presentation is on Kwanzaa. To get started, a couple facts about Kwanzaa is celebrated from December 26th and through January 1st every year. It is a celebration of community, family, and culture established as means to help African Americans reconnect with their African roots and heritage. Doctor Maulana Karenga introduced the festival in 1966 to the United States as a ritual to welcome the first harvest to the home. So Kwanzaa is originated from Africa. The seven principles of Kwanzaa. The first one is umoja, which means unity, and it means to strive for and maintain unity in the family, community, nation, and race. The next one is Kuji Jigalua, which means self-determination, and it is to define ourselves, create for ourselves, and speak for ourselves. The next one is Ujima, which is collective work and responsibility, and that means to build and maintain our community together and make our brothers and sisters' problems our problems and solve them together. The next one is Ujama, cooperative economics. That means to build and maintain our own stores, shops, and other businesses and to profit from them together. The next one is Nia, which means purpose, and that is to make our collective vocation the building and developing of our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. The next one is Kumba, which means creativity. That is to do always as much as we can in the way we can in order to leave our community more beautiful and more beneficial than we inherited it. And the last one is Imani, which means faith, and is to believe with all of our heart in our people, our parents, our teachers, our leaders, and the righteousness and victory of our struggle. And those were the seven principles of Kwanzaa. All right, the next one we have the traditional foods of Kwanzaa, what usually people eat to celebrate Kwanzaa, which is Kwanzaa meals include African Creole, Cajun catfish, jerk chicken, or ground nut stew, and a couple of sides that are used in Kwanzaa celebrations are jollof rice, collard greens, Kwanzaa slaw, grits, beans and rice, and okra. Here's a few pictures of the traditional foods. Right here we have African Creole. Right here is Cajun catfish, and over here is Kwanzaa slaw. Kwanzaa in the classroom. One of the things I would do in the class would be to give the students a coloring sheet on each day of Kwanzaa. Let the students color in different people and different celebrations that Kwanzaa represents. And another thing I would do is decorate the classroom that represents Kwanzaa. I would also have a dish each day that students could eat a little of, foods like rice and beans that students might enjoy.